So registering, charging, turning on, and calibrating your sensors. Registering, charging, turning on, and calibrating your sensors. So we'll go over sensor registration, specifically in the app. I highly encourage everyone to do that. Again, we'll talk about calibrating, checking battery level, and I'll give a couple ideas, tricks, and information on where the battery's at, and then how to actually charge it itself. So I'm going to transition back to the Kinvent Physio app, and I'm going to go right to this sensor tab right here. And you could find that that's on the bottom, 4 buttons over on the right. So you can see here that the sensors found right now in the moment are K-push, K-grip, K-bubble, but I have not actually attached any sensors. So how do you do this? How do you get your sensors registered? How do you get them up and running? Well, all you really need to do is you press the button on the top of the sensor, and that will recognize the sensor. I've done that for 3 of the sensors that I have, and this is very straightforward. Once you press that button, you just hit select. And now that is registered in the system. I have K-push, which is right here. You can see on the screen. This one is now registered in the system. I want to register another sensor. It's looking for my devices. I have a K-grip, which I have right here. I'm going to select that one. Great, it's registered. And then I'll do one more, K-bubble. Now I have 3 registered sensors. You'll see, though, that it says 0 connected. So although it is registered, it's not connected. So what's the best way to connect it? We'll go through that in just a little bit. It's actually when you first turn it on and use it, it will then register as connected. So just know that in advance. Now, there's the K-grip here. You could see it as the MAC address, the serial code, and eventually it'll populate with firmware. But if you're having any issues with this sensor, and it's difficult, there's some troubleshooting that's going on, the first step is actually to delete the sensor. And you can see I just deleted it right there. And then you'll register the sensor again. And then what you could do with that sensor is then you can go ahead and hit reset. And that will reset and recalibrate the sensor itself. For example, K-grip here, we'll delete the K-grip, we'll come back,